Today's video is going to go over parts of a book, and we're going to fill in all these arrows that you see here. So let's go ahead and take a look at that now. So we're going to fill in all the parts of the arrows here, and we're going to move clockwise. So let's look at the top arrow here, and it's pointing to Pat the cat. So what do we call this part here? That's right, it's called the title. Okay, so the title is Pat the cat. Now, the second arrow here is pointing at where you would usually find the title. And what do we call that? That's right, that's the front cover. Okay, and now looking here at the third arrow, it says by Pat Whiskers. So what do we call this part of the book here? That's right, this is the author. Okay, and then down here, it says illustrated by Matt Tail. So who is Matt Tail then? That's right, that's the illustrator. Now this arrow here is pointing pretty much at the center of the book. So what do we call this part of the book? That's right, this is the spine here. And now let's look at the last arrow here. And what do we call this part of the book? That's right, this is called the back cover. So these are the different parts of the book. And for the bonus activity, I just basically want you to do the same thing, is just identify these parts of the book again and just fill it in. So I just wanted to show you what the different parts of the book look like, and hopefully you're still reading books like these and appreciating how they look and the texture of what a real book looks like. Okay, so that'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.